You're so silly.
Failure.
We gotta whisper
Didn't
because I
work.
think there's a wedding.
This is bad. We were supposed to come to a nice park to come look at flowers, but we're in the wrong park. We're in Slender Park.
We're in what? What are we in? Slender Park? Is that what he said? Does that mean I'm going to get slender? What is Slender Park, honey?
Where Slender kills you.
Oh, Slender kills. We're at Catherine Albertson Park on this gorgeous fall day. We came to look for colors. And Blake needs to climb up his B. It's tradition, you know. B for butthead. No, B for Blake. B for brave, beautiful, butthead Blake.
Oh, look at that big spider.
Cool.
No, come look.
I don't want to see a spider.
It's so big.
Get on your B, dude, so we can go have some lunch.
It's like this big.
Cool. You're not going to jump, are you? Armagerd.
I don't know why I got up on the A.
You got on the L because you love mama.
This isn't L, this is A.
It's L, baby.
It is?
The big one's A.
This one's A?
That's, no, next over to this side is A, honey.
A? Oh, can I get on top of A?
No.
I have to get on top of
Get on B. Careful.
B? Yeah, I'm gonna go on the other side.
Good idea.
How do you get on this thing?
You can do it.
Is this close enough? Is this close enough?
Sure.
I'm scared. I can't get down.
Don't scrape.
I'm gonna die.
Don't die.
Why don't I just climb up the front of the bee?
You don't need to climb up at all, honey. Let's go to the park and then you can do all the climbing you want. Let me swing around and show you gorgeous Boise
I never thought of this
on an awesome fall day.
Look. Shoot. Why
The
not?
colors have only started. There's a lot more to come. It's too early in fall for full colors, but not bad. Was that fun?
Watch.
Okay. Blake wants us to watch again.
So much easier.
What are you going to do? He's so awesome. No fear, lots of adventure. Just like his brother Garrett. And Casey. Brennan loves adventure too, but he loves the virtual adventure, don't you, son? There you go, that was awesome.
Why did I just do that in the first place?
Now get your parachute ready and jump off.
I've never been able to climb on top of the bee.
That was good.
Like, I've never thought of that.
How are you going to get down?
How do I get down?
How do I get down?
Mom, come catch me.
I'm not catching you.
Why not?
You can get down, honey. Be like a spider between the wall.
No. No, I'm stuck.
All right, well, we're going to end this so I can go rescue Blake.
I'm gonna die.
Bye for now.
Okay, we got out of Slender Forest, but we realize we're on Slender Island right now. America is slender.
America is slender.
So we're just gonna cope with it. So we went to Slonderick right here. We got some food.
What'd you get?
I got a cherry Coke, chicken, just strips, onion rings, and cheesy stuff.
Mozzarella sticks.
That's what it's called. And now we're at Slender Park, the real Slender Park.
Next to
So,
a cemetery.
yeah. Look
Our
at Slender
favorite
over there.
old cemetery.
Look at Slender over there. He's burying a.
Hey, at least Chuck Testa's not here.
Okay, Slender's not real.
Slender's
Chuck
not
Testa
real.
is just like Chuck Testa.
Did you have fun
I
today?
guess that Slender's not real. Yeah, I did.
Cheers, honey. I love you.
Love you too.
Bye. on.
Sorry, I crashed.
Come on, babe. I'll race you.